This 2019 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Prescott Valley, Arizona, 86314 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Prescott Valley. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.